Hey guys, Rajeshwari here, and I have made a short comical video about how Bollywood has been evolved since then till now. This is just for fun, and I hope you all will like it and support it. And the first part, okay, I have covered few aspects here in this video. So the first part is I'll be showing you how the proposals used to be before and now how it is. Okay, so let's see the proposals in our parents era now. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. That was so cute, right? So back then, most of the heroines had this cute expressions, right? In everywhere, wherever, whichever song you see, they had that innocence and that cute expressions which we all used to love. Yeah. So let's see how our proposals are now. Okay. I think this guy is suffering from selective amnesia or something, right? No, I thought he was about to propose a girl, but then where did this Gandhi bath come inside? Like, why, bro? Why? You had to propose a girl. Go ahead, no? Why do you bring in Gandhi baths now? But yeah, that was fun and nice number to dance on. Okay, so next we'll be going into the next step. So after proposal, what else? Romance. So let's see how romance used to be back then and now how it is. Such a kid she was. Even in the YouTube, so when I saw this song, and I was like, does she even know what happens when the light turns off? No, usually, for a fun actually. Usually, in our days, in 90s kids, when we used to watch such songs or movies, the camera used to start from them and roll all around the wall and stop near a baby's photo. So that's all we knew, right? Okay, that was cute. Okay, let's see now our era's romance. My, such a hot number, dude. Now I get it why 20k kids are more brilliant than us. I admit it. I really admit it. Yeah, so lots of effort went into this while shooting. Okay, so for those who have been wondering where did that smoke come from, we used agarbattis. Yeah, God forgive me. Yeah, we used agarbattis and almost 2 to 3 takes we took because for my face, romance will not suit. So, yeah, while talking about the old Bollywoods, who will miss the disco dance, right? The drill dance that they used to put in all the exercises that we knew in our PT periods. Yeah, so all heroes used to dance with that. So let us start now for the Bollywood old songs and also new songs, which is not a change. It still remains the same. Both remains the same. They dance for the beat. Okay, let's try counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. Okay, so that they'll be following your steps, your counts. Okay, let's try it out, and it's really comical. Please go ahead and see that. Dekha, right na? That was your rhythm. Okay, that was your steps that they used to use. Okay, nice. But now coming to the end of the romance now, so which is the breakup part. how breakups used to be dealt before and how it is dealt now, especially when it's come to women. Okay, so I'll be showing you that now. Please go ahead and watch it. I had this weird doubt actually when I was watching this old song, wherein she is not interested in getting married to that boy. She's in love with the other one. But Bechara, this boy don't know that she's singing the song for her lover and not him. I feel bad for that guy actually. And why is she creating this confusion there? She's not even stopping him. He's on his process of making next generation. I really like this change, from those helpless women out there to the one who can break up if you're not fitting in, if you're not feeling you're fitted in. That's a good thing, and I really love this number. Yes, guys, so that's it with my video, and I hope you would have liked all my weird moves. So, yeah, Bollywood has changed in many aspects, but according to me and many others, the only thing that didn't change in Bollywood from then till now is
Nepotism. Nepotism.
I meant entertaining the people. Okay, guys, I think I have kept something on my stove. Okay, bye bye bye.